An Uber driver found a $15,000 wedding ring in his back seat. He was 3 months behind on rent and had already pawned his own engagement ring just to survive. He could have sold it. No one would have ever known. Instead, he spent hours on social media, playing detective. He found the passenger's wife through her husband's travel post to Europe. Then he drove 4 hours to return it personally. The grateful couple didn't just thank him. They paid his overdue rent and helped him buy his own car instead of renting one. But the real gift was the husband becoming his business mentor. 2 years later, he owns 12 rideshare vehicles and runs a successful fleet. His drivers know the story. His reputation for absolute honesty attracts the best customers and most loyal employees. People ask why he didn't just keep the ring. He says, "Selling it would have solved my problems for 3 months. Returning it built a business that will last 3 generations." One choice changed everything, not because good deeds always pay off, but because integrity compounds.